When we started the Johns Hopkins Proton Therapy Center at Sibley in Washington, D.C., they put together concept floor plans to achieve a budget, estimated construction cost. All of that had to go into their certificate of need application. When we were finally asked to design the center, they gave us that packet and asked us to follow the floor plans. The problem was the floor plans didn't work. They had been working with a proton vendor that had never implemented a proton project before and haven't done one since. And they were unfamiliar with how a building lays out. The plan only had the bunkers, the beam line, the accelerator, an entrance doorway, and a hallway in front of it, and that was it. 50% of what you normally find in a proton therapy center was missing, just because they didn't know any better. Because of those constraints led to us being very innovative, because we had to find a way to make it work. They had selected a very narrow site right next to the garage, right across from the replacement hospital and the ambulance bays. It really didn't accommodate a full treatment floor. It didn't even accommodate a clinic. So what we did was we put the treatment vault pits on ground, and that consisted of the first floor. And then the second floor, we spanned over the top of the ambulance way and the drive, which doubled the width of our floor plan. Now, finally, that gave us enough space to have the treatment rooms, plus the pre-treatment areas in front of it that service all the necessary rooms, the dressing rooms, the gowned waiting, the reception, exam rooms, and everything that you need in front of a proton therapy center. And then we did a third floor, which has a lot of the clinic and office space. That's kind of how we got to a very unique solution for Johns Hopkins. At the end of the day, it was successful. We made it work.